welcome to Fun Toy World. Today we're gonna open this giant surprise egg.
Okay, let's see what's inside. What's the magic word, Chloe?
Yes, get started.
All right. All right, what's inside?
Okay, let's open this.
Wow, that's a big surprise egg.
Okay, let's put it right here. Let's open it up.
Okay, what do you think is inside?
I don't know.
Oh, crack it there. Wow. Ooh, who came out from the ginormous surprise egg?
Okay, we got all the glitter gliders out of the big ginormous one. Let's set them up.
Wow, they are beautiful.
Here's Aurora. Here's a Rapunzel. Here's Elsa. Here's
Ariel.
and
Belle.
and Anna.
Wow, they are beautiful, all the glitter gliders.
You want me to show you how to spin?
Sure, how do they spin? Ooh, that's so cute.
Let me show you what they're, look.
They have some wheels on the bottom.
Yes. And look, there's two of them, one over here and one over here. That makes them turn.
Wow.
This one as well. She can even turn because she has this well. Even this one.
All right.
This one can turn. This one. And this one.
All right.
See? Now we're gonna open this.
Surprise egg. What's inside?
Let's see. Oh my gosh. They're sticker earrings.
For the glitter gliders?
Yes.
Okay, I guess all the glitter gliders are gonna get stickers.
Yay.
What else is inside, Chloe?
Let's see. This one.
Okay, let's see.
Oh my gosh. They're stamps.
They're stamps.
See? They're stamps. Do you want to see how they're stamped?
I guess they're Valentine stamps, right?
Okay, let's open this centerpiece surprise.
All right, what's that?
I got some rings.
All right, they're princess's rings?
Yes, I love them. Let's put them in the side. Right here. There's one more left inside.
Okay, let's see what's inside.
Let's see.
Ooh, I guess that's for you, Chloe.
Me? No, thank you. It's for the princesses.
Wow, that's a nice Valentine's bracelet.
It's not for me. I want it for the princesses.
Wow, that bracelet sure look nice on Ariel.
Yeah, it's a big one and I share it for all the princesses.
Wow. All right, so I guess we love our surprise eggs. Okay, princesses, you ready for Valentine's? Ready for Valentine's?
Yeah, me too, and me too, me too, me too, me too. All of us.
All right.
Even me, Chloe.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to
like and subscribe. Don't forget to leave us a comment below.
We'll see you next time. Happy Valentine's. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, boys and girls.
Toy World. Today we have 3 very cute Minecraft surprise eggs. And our friends, the Ninja Turtles, Donatello and Raphael, are gonna help us open these surprise eggs. So, what's the magic word?